Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we're diving into something that's not just cool, but also super useful, AI tools. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of artificial intelligence or thought it was only for tech wizards, I'm here to change that perception. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see how easy it is to integrate AI into your daily life. Whether you want to unleash your creativity, boost your productivity, or just have some fun. So grab a snack, get comfy, and let's unlock these AI tools together. All right, let's kick things off with our first tool, ChatGPT. Now, if you haven't heard of it yet, let me tell you, it's like having a brainstorming buddy who's available 24/7. Imagine being stuck on a project or just needing a spark of inspiration. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can simply hop onto ChatGPT and start typing. It's designed to help you generate ideas, draft emails, write essays, or even craft short stories. Seriously, it's like having a virtual assistant that's always ready to help you out. So, how do you get started? It's super simple. Just head over to the OpenAI website, click on ChatGPT, and either log in or create an account. Once you're in, you can ask it anything. For example, let's say you're looking for some video ideas. You can type, "Give me 5 ideas for a YouTube video about AI," and just like that, it'll spit out some fresh concepts. It's like magic. You can even ask follow-up questions or refine those ideas to fit your style. It's such a game changer for anyone who's ever felt stuck or uninspired. Now let's shift gears and talk about something a bit more visual. DALL. If you've ever wanted to create stunning artwork without lifting a paintbrush, this tool is for you. DALL is an AI that generates images from text descriptions. So, if you can dream it up, DALL can create it. Picture this. You want an image of a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars. All you have to do is type that in, and within moments, you'll be presented with beautiful, AI-generated images that match your description. It's like having a personal artist who can bring your wildest ideas to life. What's really great about DALL is that you don't need any artistic skills, just a vivid imagination. You can experiment with different styles and descriptions to see what unique pieces you can conjure up. And if you're working on a project that needs visuals, this tool can save you so much time. Plus, it's a lot of fun to play around with. I encourage you to try some abstract or quirky prompts. You'll be amazed at the results. Now, let's move on to the final tool I want to share with you today, Pictory. If you love creating video content but dread the editing process, Pictory is about to become your best friend. This AI tool automates video editing, script generation, and even adds captions and stock footage. It's a total lifesaver for anyone who wants to produce high-quality videos without spending hours behind the editing software. Getting started with Pictory is a breeze. You simply upload your script or raw footage, and Pictory takes care of the rest. It analyzes your content, suggests visuals, and compiles everything into a polished video. For instance, if you upload a script for a tech review, Pictory will automatically select relevant stock footage, apply transitions, and add captions, all in just a few minutes. It's like having a professional editor at your fingertips, and it's perfect for those who might feel intimidated by traditional video editing. To wrap things up, let's take a moment to recap what we've covered today. We've explored 3 amazing AI tools: ChatGPT for writing and brainstorming, DALL for creating stunning art, and Pictory for automating video editing. Each of these tools is designed to be user-friendly and accessible, so you don't need to be a tech genius to get started. Whether you're looking to enhance your creativity, streamline your workflow, or simply have some fun, these AI tools can help you achieve your goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on how to make AI work for you. And I want to hear from you. Leave a comment below if you'd like to see more how-to videos on other AI tools, or if you have any questions about what we covered today. Remember, AI isn't just for the tech-savvy. It's for everyone. And I'm here to help you unlock its potential. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Keep exploring, keep creating, and most importantly, have fun with it. Until next time.